Welcome back. In this section, we're going to learn about the res folder in Android Studio. The res folder is a crucial directory within an Android project containing various types of resources that your app uses. The term res stands for resources, and it's where you organize different types of assets needed for your Android application. Drawable folder. This folder contains drawable resources such as images, PNGs, JPGs, GIF, XML-based drawable shapes, and other graphical assets. These resources are used for UI elements like image views, image buttons, text views, and much more. The layout folder contains XML layout files that define the structure and appearance of your app's user interface. Each XML file corresponds to a different screen or part of your app. Mipmap contains launcher icons for different screen densities. It's used to store the app's launcher icon in various resolutions. The values folder contains XML files that store various values such as strings, colors, dimensions, styles, and themes. These values can be referenced in your code and XML layouts, providing a centralized way to manage app resources. XML folder used for storing arbitrary XML files such as configuration files. And there are a lot of files and folders that can be used in the resources folder in Android projects, such as menu, row, anim, and others. So the res folder is a key component of Android's resource system, providing a structured way to organize and manage different types of assets used in your application. It helps in creating adaptable and visually consistent applications across various densities and devices. In the next videos, we're going to deep dive into the res folder and we'll learn about each folder in a separate video.